guys, this is Soren down at Karl, Malone, Powersports in Provo. If you're looking at an R7, an MT-09, or you just missed the R6, pay attention because this is changing the middleweight game. This might be the smartest sports bike Yamaha has made in years. It's not the fastest, it's not the craziest, but it's one riders actually want. 890 cc's, the CP3 triple, the same platform that made the MT-09 a torque monster. Now, this isn't a screaming 1600 RPM like an R6. This is a usable, street-destroying, corner-exploding torque, and it pulls hard where you actually ride. A sharp R-series front end, LED lighting everywhere, minimal tail section. This thing looks like it's going 100 miles an hour sitting still. Full TFT display, multiple ride modes, lean sensitive traction control, IMU-backed electronics. This is R1 level technology without the R1 level intimidation. Fully adjustable KYB suspension, radial-mounted brakes, lightweight aluminum frame. It feels planted but flickable. Here's the truth. Most riders never kept an R6 above 12,000 RPM. The R9 gives you power everywhere. It's faster in the real world. I know you want to hear how this thing sounds, so let's fire her up. More power than an R7, more torque than a 4-cylinder, more comfort than an R6, the R9 might be the sweet spot for you. If you want to see this one in person, come on down to Karl, Malone, Powersports in Provo. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see next. Stay tuned, we're going to be doing tons more walkarounds just like this one.